Okay.
Hey guys, I'm back. And do y'all see something different?
I wonder. What do you see different, Zoey?
I see something different because this one is pink, this one is blue.
Yup.
So it might be different.
Yeah, okay. So tell us how it goes.
So first, we grab one, then we take this lid off. Like this if it's too hard. And then that comes, and I don't really know how to read. I just know how to read this a little bit. And we get this, we don't water it. And we get this. And these are stickers. Uh-oh. And these are stickers. Let's grab that. And we get this watering can. Do you know what it's for?
No.
To put water in it, and then we squeeze it first. Then we put a little tiny dip in it. Then we carefully keep our thumbs on it and let it go like that. Then it has water in it.
Okay. Good job. So what do you do now?
And now we just squirt it. See it getting big?
Ooh,
It's
I
coming.
do. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see different hair.
Just like that. Okay, now we take it out. Put more. More we need. Because it's not all the way out. Okay. Okay, you ready to see who she is? I don't know who she is either. You ready?
I'm ready.
I see the front of her hair.
Oh.
Oh! That's just her hair. She's super cute!
Oh my gosh, she really is super cute.
Now, let's take the wrapper out if we don't want that. Then we put, and look at her hair when her hair is off.
There's a little bun.
Yeah, and this is where the bun goes in her hair.
Oh, okay.
And this is how we put it on. We carefully slide it in so we won't break it, just like that. Now I'm just gonna rip it. Now, this. Mommy, can you help?
Sure.
Guys, now it's time to open these mystery surprise gifts.
Oh, what are they?
First, let's open this thing. I don't know what it is. Well, I do know what it is, but I'm not telling you. It's her purse. Here's her purse.
Oh, that is super cute.
Let's get this out. I'm not telling you what it is. It's her pet.
Oh.
Her pet is a little ice cream cone.
That is cute.
You ready for her clothes?
Yes.
Okay, me too. I'm gonna open it. This is her little top. She can't put it. Here's her dress. I didn't know they had all of that. And a shoe. This a shoe?
Mm-hmm.
These are shoes. Oh.
They're like little sandals. That's cute.
Yeah. You ready for me to dress her up?
I know I am.
Okay. her beautiful, beautiful dress on. Yes. Come on, Blue. You don't want to put your dress on, right? Okay, I got her dress on. Let's put her shoes on. Okay, her other shoe. Ooh. She's super cute. She's super, super, super duper, super duper cute.
She is cute. Oh my gosh. I love those sandals.
Now her purse. There we go. And her pet. Hey, sis. Hey. This sis. She's her cousin.
Cousin or sisters?
She's her cousin.
Cousin?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
That's my pet.
So it looks like you have one named Celine. Where is she? Right here.
I see.
And then you just opened up Sedona.
Oh, Sedona.
All right, let's see what's in the next one. You want to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like I did. First open this and grab this. You know what I'm going to say with that. And peel this. We don't water it. And you know that's the stickers. And here's the watering cans. Okay. Now let's put it on. See that it's getting big.
Oh my gosh, I see it.
You too. When is it gonna grow? We need a lot.
Uh-oh. It's growing.
I see
wait.
it.
I see blue.
I see blue hair too. It's growing.
Oh my gosh. You look so serious.
This is really cute.
Oh my goodness.
It busted out of my hand. Look at her hair. She's really cute. Why does she have tape on her hair? That's weird.
Whoa, I don't know.
She's a really cute girl. I like her pink hair.
Yeah.
Just like I said, her bun is right there.
Let me see.
What's her name?
Oh, let's see. All right, so we're looking for, what is that fruit up there on her head? What is that? Looks like a pineapple, just a different color, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Her name is,
You're looking for the different one.
I think it's this one, Alana.
That's, her name is not Alana.
Yeah, right here, this one, Alana.
Oh yeah, that is.
I wonder what surprises she has. Let's see.
Yeah.
to get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, you already know what I'm about to say. More surprises. You ready to see? Okay. First, let's do her purse.
You already know, huh?
Why is this her top?
Because they tricked you.
Yeah. Her pet time. Her pet is a little strawberry. Her pet is a little strawberry.
That sounds cute. Need help?
No, I got it. No. It's a little tricky. Yeah, I need you to help.
Okay.
Her pet is a little strawberry, you see? Her pet is really a little strawberry. You ready to see her little strawberry pet? Okay. Look how cute it is.
So cute.
Now it's ready. No. You know.
Let me see. Oh my, she has a bunch of accessories. Love them. What? She has sunglasses?
Hey! Look, I'm gonna put them on her. Where's her top? Oh, here it is. Come on. Wait, what's her name again?
Alana.
Oh, come on, Alana. First, I'm gonna do her skates. Yeah. Let's put her top. Her top matches.
You like that?
What? Her arm can't raise up.
You want me to help?
I can do it. I can do it, silly goose. Actually, I do need help. Mama had to help me because the top was a little hard. Now it's time for her little shoes. One little shoe. Two little shoe. Now her hair. She looks really cute.
Oh, where's her sunglasses?
Oh, her sunglasses I can't forget. Yeah. I know how to do these. I know how to do this. This is just like LOL glasses. There. She looks really cute.
So cute. So what did you think about the Bloom toys?
I love them so much. Now they're all going together. You want to see them switch clothes?
I would love to see that.
Okay. from 5 and below. So go to 5 and below and get one if you want.